What are you up to means what are your plans? What are you doing? It's kind of what's up. You can ask the present, the future, or the past. For example, what are you up to? Meaning right now. Or what are you up to this weekend? Meaning what are your plans for this weekend? Or what have you been up to? Meaning like when you haven't seen a person in a while. So if someone asks me now, what are you up to today? I would say I'm staying home.
What are you up to, Pat?
Nothing.
What are you up to?
What are you up to?
So in English, we sometimes add the words on and earth to a question for emphasis. Sometimes we ask questions like, why on earth did you buy that car? You could, of course, just say, why did you buy that car? Maybe imagine a situation where your brother bought a really fancy car or a really expensive car. You could say, why did you buy that car? But if you're actually surprised and you want to add a little bit of emphasis to the question, you could say to your brother, why on earth did you buy that car? I'm not sure if your brother will have a good answer, but certainly in English, we often add the words on earth to a question in order to give it a little bit more emphasis. Oftentimes I will be talking to my children and I will ask a lot of why questions like, why on earth did you wear shoes to school when there's so much mud around? You should have worn boots. So why on earth did you wear shoes? We actually add the words on earth to a whole bunch of different question words. You can ask questions like, what on earth were you thinking driving so fast? You could ask questions like, where on earth did you get that nice shirt? You could ask questions like, how on earth were you able to afford such a fancy car? Or you could say something like, when on earth did you find the time to go shopping?
What on earth could you possibly want?
What on earth are you talking about?
What on earth have you been doing?